Wala. Fair naman eh. Pareho naman locals na naglaro. So, not much adjustments. We practice naman na ganun yung rotations. Go lang ako.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game na sa award. 22 excellent digs and 21 excellent receptions. Personally, gano'n ka lang proud sa naging performance nila against the Fire?
Medyo nakukulangan pa po kasi parang hindi ko rin naman in-expect na parang ganun karami yung nakuha kong bola. Marami pa pong kulang at marami pa pong kailangan i-improve.
Thank you. And for AC, dito sa game na daw kayo ni Reese Habib, yung naging key to get this victory against the Fire. Can you talk about paano nyo lang din pinractice ko and how you manage to get up this victory so soon?
Siyempre po, always naman kami nagpa-practice ng connections with the center kami ng mga middles. Pero, I think masasabi ko lang is that they did a good job today. Because ako kahit medyo sa dulo talaga ako gumana. Pero thankful pa rin kasi nag-work lahat para makaabot ng 400%. Then, eventually, siguro kami we played the hand we were dealt lang naman since patas walang reinforcement pareho. Laro lang din, even if nag-prepare kami with Ana. So maganda pa rin sana if andun siya completely. Pero we just played lang today and ginawa namin yung best namin.
Same lang with AC pero parang wala naman din pong pinagkaiba kasi going back naman po sa last conference kami rin naman po yung magkasama sa loob.
First of all, congratulations for this game. And then, despite all of it, is this how you picture of the opening or reinforce confidence without you?
Not really. Siyempre, hindi tayo ganun ka-prepared na yan ang aming nangyayari. Okay lang, di ba? As the players said, lagi naman tayo nag-ensayo na nag-try tayo ng different combinations. And then, hindi naman as if bago yung combination, sila rin naman yung naglaro last week. Although, these past few practices, syempre kasama natin yung work. But then, yun nga, circumstances, hindi pa sila ready or hindi pa sila pwede. So, laro lang kami.
Sino yung bumalik sa susunod or sa kapabot ng social media at the time? Mahaba yung tayo.
Siguro nakahelp sa composure ko is yung tiwala sa akin ng coaches and teammates ko na kahit